spray bottle, just spritz it on all over your face. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at what I have here for you today. This is an anti-aging facial toner, an hydrating facial toner that is going to penetrate deep into the skin, just refresh your skin and have your skin just looking soft, supple, plump, and added bonus to this is going to help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking for a quick and easy all-natural facial toner, this video is for you, so continue watching. To make our facial toner, I'm going to be using some rice, and this is white rice. And rice has been used, especially in the Asian community, for centuries, for younger, firmer, and also for radiant looking skin. So rice water for the facial toner is a great ingredient. Our second ingredient is cucumber, and cucumber make a wonderful facial toner. Cucumber is cooling on the skin. It is also hydrating since it is loaded with water. The cucumber water will penetrate deep into the skin, just leaving your skin refreshed, plumped, soft, and supple. Our next ingredient is rose water, and rose water is another wonderful ingredient to use in your facial toner. As a matter of fact, you can just use rose water alone on the skin, but with the other ingredient, it's going to create a stronger, a more hydrating facial toner for the skin. Another wonderful ingredient in this facial toner is green tea, and green tea is used in this facial toner for its wonderful anti-aging properties. It is loaded with antioxidants that will help to plump the skin up. Now green tea also, when mixed with the other ingredients, is hydrating, help to penetrate deep in those pores, leaving your skin just radiant. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel, and this is the store-bought aloe vera gel. I especially like to use the store-bought aloe vera gel in the facial toner since it helps to preserve the other fresh ingredient. Aloe vera gel will help to hydrate the skin just as the rest of ingredient. It will also help to clear up the skin from spots and blemishes. It is also a wonderful ingredient to use in the sun, and therefore when the time gets warm, using aloe vera on your skin will help to prevent you from getting sunburn. Our final ingredient is a vegetable glycerine, and this is going to be doing double duty in this facial toner. Vegetable glycerine is going to help to hydrate the skin, but it's also going to help to preserve the rest of the ingredient. Therefore, you will be able to keep your facial toner much longer. The first thing I'm going to do is to brew the green tea and also to soak the rice in the green tea. There's two ways of doing this. You can put the rice on top of the green tea, pour the hot water in and set it aside, or you can choose to brew the green tea separately and then pour it on the rice. If you're short on time, just put the green tea along with the rice and pour some hot water on it, and that is what we will be doing today. So here I have a tea bag. If you're using loose leaves, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of loose leaf. If you want to make this much stronger, you can also double up on the tea bag. So I'm going to do some measurement, and I'm using about a 1/3 cup of white rice covering the tea bag. And here I have 1 cup of hot water. Make sure to boil the water, okay? So you need hot water, not cold water. Once you pour it in the bowl with the rice, you're going to cover this and you're going to set it aside. Preferably do this overnight because you need this to brew and you also need it to be cooled. Moving on, I'm going to be preparing my cucumber. You want to wash the cucumber and blend. If you do not have a blender, you can grate the cucumber, not peel the cucumber. So just wash, chopped, and blend. I'm using a half of a large cucumber or 1 medium cucumber. So I'm just going to chop this in small pieces for easier blending. If you have a powerful blender, you really do not need to chop the cucumber since the cucumber tend to be very soft. So here we have the blender loaded with the cucumber. Do not add any water to this. The cucumber will produce its own water. And now I'm going to blend. Now here we have our blended cucumber, and we're going to strain since we're only going to be using the juice. Now here we have our cucumber juice. And here I have my green tea and rice, and this I have soaking over 24 hours. So make sure to soak your rice and green tea and make sure that it is cooled. And next you're gonna strain. Strain just before you make your facial toner. So the next step is to put all the ingredients together to create our wonderful hydrating facial toner. For measuring purposes, I'm going to be using quarter cup measurement, and this is 60 ml. So I'm going to use a quarter cup of the green tea rice mixture. A quarter cup of the cucumber. Now for this facial toner, you can choose to make more. You can double up on the ingredient. However, you do not need to keep it in your refrigerator for no more than about 10 to 12 days. Next, rose water. You're going to be a little generous with the rose water. I'm using 2 tablespoons of rose water. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Next, you're just gonna blend well. You can also choose to use some lavender water in this. And if you wanted to have a little fragrant, you could use some orange essential oil, not a lot. If you have dry skin, you can choose to use just a little touch of almond oil or a little bit of a grapeseed oil. Now to store your facial toner, I suggest store it in a glass jar with a tight cover. However, if you have a spray bottle, just fill the spray bottle up with the facial toner for easier application. If you do not have a spray bottle, not to worry. So first I'm going to fill my little bottle up. So here I have the facial toner, and I also have my spray bottle. Now guys, I do not like to use this right away. I still like to infuse this a bit more. So I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for another 24 hours or just overnight, and then your facial toner is ready. So I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful facial toner on your skin for best result. Now here we have our facial toner, and I have my facial toner in the refrigerator for a little over 24 hours. To use your facial toner, you want to make sure to start with clean skin. So you're going to wash your face the way you normally do. Use your facial cleanser, pat dry, and now your face is ready for the facial toner. Now to apply the facial toner, you can choose to use a cotton pad, or if you have a spray bottle, just spray it on the face. If you're using a cotton pad, just soak the cotton pad in the facial toner and press it all over the skin. If you're using a spray bottle, just spritz it on all over your face. Once you're done, you're just going to take your hands and you're just going to press this in. Now, a facial toner is to be used just before your facial serum. So the first thing you apply to your skin after washing your skin is your facial toner. Once you apply the facial toner, you're going to let it air dry, and then you're going to continue with your favorite serum or your favorite moisturizer. Now, this is also great for people who do not wear any form of a makeup. You can take this with you, spritz it on your face right throughout the day. You are hydrating the skin, and you are also helping your skin to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines while having your skin just soft, supple, and radiant. Okay? Wow, guys, you really need to give this a try. Now, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video, and guess what? Make this facial toner, use it for a week, and come back and leave a comment. Now, if this was the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, well, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, at the end or beside the word subscribe, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Guys, I also have Snapchat and Instagram. The link for these are listed in the description box below. On my Snapchat, you'll get a chance to see a little more of me behind the scene, okay? So go ahead and follow me on Snapchat. And also on Instagram, I post very short video to a point. So for those of you who, like it to be really short, then go over on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.